One brilliant morning, young Yvette crept into her family's bustling kitchen. Something seemed wonderfully out of place. Clink! Clang! Ding! A cheerful spoon trilled. "Why, good morning!" With a bright twinkle, the spoon sang, "La la la, let's stir, let's stir." Yvette's eyes nearly popped out with surprise. "Are you a talking spoon?" she gasped. "Indeed. We're chatty if someone treats us kindly," replied the spoon, giving a little shimmy. Yvette picked up the spoon ever so gently, swirling it through a bowl. "Stir, stir, stir," she whispered. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. The pan leapt about on the counter, making a wonderful racket. "Bravo, Yvette!" it cried in a steely voice. "Remember, pans sit safely on the stove, never teetering on the edge. That's the very recipe for safety." Yvette nodded thoughtfully, saying, "Safe, safe, safe." Click! Yvette closed the fridge with a soft touch. The fridge glowed with a frosty smile. "Thank you for closing me gently," it chimed. "It keeps the cheese and carrots cozy inside." "Thanks, kind fridge," answered Yvette. She beamed. Good manners made this place sparkle. Wah wah! The juicer whizzed merrily, its funny voice chirping, "I make tasty juices for everyone, but fruits pop in with grown-ups, and hands must be kept away." Yvette watched with curious eyes. "I look and learn," she promised. Pop! The toaster declared, "Warm bread is my best. But I get hot, hot, hot. Never ever touch inside." Yvette remembered, hot means don't touch. Beep! Beep! The microwave flashed its buttons like tiny stars. "I warm food in a jiffy. But only grown-ups press my buttons. That's our safe kitchen rule." Yvette took a little step back. "I look, not poke," she promised solemnly. Whoosh! The air fryer did a joyful wiggle, making everything crisp. "I make chips crunchy, but my insides are too fiery for little fingers, so stay back until I cool." PSSSHHH. From the side, the pressure cooker rumbled, its voice deep and grand. "I make meals quickly and loud, but only grown-ups should open me. That's the safest way." Yvette smiled warmly. "I listen. I wait. I stay safe." Finally, at the table, Yvette poured her juice carefully, watching it fill her cup without splashing. Pour, pour, pour. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.